Juan and Rob are selling cookie dough for a school fundraiser. Juan has 10 cookie dough orders and Rob has 40 cookie dough orders. They have a total of 75 cookie dough orders altogether. Okay, so 75 is the number of total orders that they have, and that equals the number of cookie orders of Rob plus the number of cookie orders of Juan. Okay, so Juan and Rob together has a total of 75 cookie dough orders. So this is the equation. 75 equals 40 plus t. And how many cookie orders does Juan have? That is the t. So to isolate the t, we need to subtract 40 from both sides of the equation. So it means that 75 minus 40 equals t. And then 75 minus 40 is 35. And that equals t. Okay. So the equation is this. And this is the answer to how many cookie dough orders does Juan have. Okay. 75 equals 40 plus t. Equals 40 plus t. And how many cookie dough orders does Juan have? 35. Okay, Liane bought a basket of apples to make pies for her friends. The basket of apples weighed p-pounds. Before she had time to make the pies, she ate 3 pounds of apples. There are 17 pounds of apples left to make pies. Write an equation to describe this situation. Okay, so P is the original number of pounds in the basket. And we know that she ate 3 pounds of apples, which means we need to subtract 3 from the total number of pounds that we had in the basket to begin with. And we are now left with 17 pounds of apples. So it means that the initial weight of the basket minus the amount of pounds that she ate equals to the number of pounds that are left in the basket. So this is the equation. What was the total weight of the basket of apples? Okay, so in order to know what P is, which P is the initial weight of the basket, we need to isolate the P. So we need to add 3 to both sides of the equation. So on the left-hand side, we are left with P after we add 3. And on the right-hand side, we add 3 to 17, which means P equals 20. Okay, so this is the equation. And what was the total weight? So the answer is 20. Okay. P minus 3 equals 17. P minus 3 equals 17. This is the equation. And what was the total? Okay, so the question here is that Louise scored a total of 268 points during the basketball season. Of her total points, L points came from left-handed shots. She scored 225 points with right-handed shots. Okay, so the total number of points is 268. And this is a combination of L points from left-handed shots plus 225 points from right-handed shots. Okay, so this is the equation. 268 equals L plus 225. How many points did Louise score with left-handed shots? So we need to isolate the L. So we need to subtract 225 from both sides of the equation. So on the right-hand side, we are left with L. And on the left-hand side, we need to subtract 225 from 268. So 268 minus 225. 8 minus 5 is 3, 6 minus 2 is 4. This is 0, so L equals 43. So the answer here is 43. Okay, so the equation is 268. 268 equals L plus 225 and how many points? 43. After Luca took his dogs for a walk, he gave them 6 dog treats. When Luca's dad got home from work, he gave the dogs 10 more treats. Altogether, that day, Luca's dogs got 10 dog treats. Okay, so 10 is the total number, and it's the combination of 6 treats that Luca gave them, plus the T number of treats that Luca's dad gave them. Okay, so this is the equation. And how many dog treats did Luca get? Okay, the T, in order to isolate it, we need to subtract 6 from both sides of the equation. So on the right hand side we are left with T, and on the left hand side we have 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4, so the answer here is 4. Lucas then gave the dogs 4 treats, and the equation is 10 equals 6 plus T. 10 equals 6 plus T. T is for the number of dog treats he gave him is 4. Good. Okay, so in the next video I will solve quiz number 2. Quiz number 2 is about one-step equation word problems and finding mistakes in one-step equations. And it's basically about one-step equations. So I will see you in the next video.